Hello, I'm Grace Espanillo from Sasin, Quezon City, and I will perform the proper lifting, holding, and burping the baby. Before holding the baby, make sure to clean hands with alcohol, soap, or water. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support from their neck, back, and head, also at their bottom. Lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place the baby in your lap. The head should be at your knees face off. Hip hold. You should drop your arm around her waist and baby will be able to look around comfortably. Shoulder hold. Make sure to use burping glove to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand and hold the baby. The baby's chest must on your shoulder. And gently rub or tap to help her burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap across your knee. Support the baby's chest or head with one hand by placing the baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently rub the back or top to help her burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Support the neck and head and gently tap or rub the back to help her burp.